Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Today we're ripping 2024 Panini NFL Prizm Hanger Box. For retail products, I typically stick with blaster and mega boxes, but for Prizm NFL, blaster boxes and mega boxes has no case hit potentials and also no way to hit number cards. Then I found out for hanger box format, there is number cards that can be potentially hit with purple wave number to 99 and gold wave number to 10. So it'll be pretty good to hit a gold wave to 10 of one of the top rookie quarterbacks. So I haven't opened a hanger box for a long time. Let's try this out and see what we get. This should be a very quick video. Only 20 cards and maybe 7 parallel or insert cards to sleeve up. So here is the transparent plastic wrap that it comes in. I've seen some YouTube videos where they open the hanger boxes and have this plastic wrap around the box. That's a little bit concerning for if those have been searched through. If they open the box, it's pretty easy to see if there's any purple or gold in it. So let's see what we get. Starting off, we have Art Monk, Deebo Samuel, Dexter Jackson. So we're starting off with a bunch of base. A.J. Brown, Jamal Anderson, C.D. Lamb, Oliver, John Elway, Christian Gonzalez, Tom Flores, so coach, this old school coach, Stephon Diggs, Kobe Turner, and then I guess this is our first silver prism is a Brian Robinson for Washington. So hope to hit one of the rookie quarterbacks in this one, even if I don't hit any purple or gold wave. Got a Marvin Mims green wave. Should have 4 of these per hanger box. Next up, we have a Dan Marino green wave. Then we have a Mike Evans green wave. Then next, got a very nice one, Caleb Williams rookie green wave. Very happy with this box. I know, even though there's no number cards, but a green wave of the number 1 pick rookie quarterback. That's pretty good. Caleb Williams, very nice. Then we have a Brock Purdy fireworks. Then we have a green wave fireworks of Malik Neighbors. Then finishing off, that's a pretty good way to finish off, another Caleb Williams base rookie. So this has been a pretty good Caleb Williams hanger box. I would have to say pretty happy with the results. Hopefully next year he'll be even better than his rookie season and maybe get closer to Jaden Daniels, but can't complain with a green wave rookie of Caleb and a base rookie of Caleb. So overall pretty happy with the results. So yeah, hopefully if you pick up hanger boxes, you have pretty good luck with the pulls as well. Hope you pull good rookies. I've seen some YouTube videos and a lot of times a green wave rookie that's 1 per box is a lot of either linemen or non-quarterback, so pretty lucky to pull Caleb Williams. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you at the next one. Bye.